brake servo and master cylinder removal. All the unions have been slackened off. Got two under there. So when all this is removed, you're just going to be left with these pipes going into the car. Remove those later, but these two here will be going, which is what we want. In order to move these unions, I don't use anything other than a 10mm split ring. There really is no point trying to use anything else because they'll round off. That one especially was a nightmare. That needed a little heat, a little WD-40 and a lot of brute force to get it to go, but that's slackened off. So the servo is mounted from inside the car, so the plan is undo those unions, get that piece out, get those unions off, salvage these two pipes. It looks like all the original brake pipes. If they haven't corroded, they should be perfectly good to reuse. Get all that out and then dismount this whole section here and get that out. That's the next job. And oh yeah, the brake warning level indicator, those connections just broke off. Don't know whether we can get those in the shot. There we go. Those broke off when disconnecting the loom, so those will need new bullets on them, but that's not a problem. That's not a problem. There's plenty of length on the wire. So that's the next job, and then after that we're going to tackle, get those out of the way, we're going to tackle that and get the wipers and wiper motor out along with the hood release. That was removed previously and has been wrapped up.